Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Budget Detroit Airport, and let's take a look at some of the cars here. Again, just a quick reminder, if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And if you like what you're watching, give the video a quick like, helps with the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so Budget. First time here, let's go down some of the aisles. We got a Highlander, a Compass, Mustang EcoBoost convertible, and a Mustang hardtop. We got a Dodge Ram, Ford Escape, and we got a Malibu here. We got a Mazda, got a 4Runner, and we got a Kia. Oh boy, we got a Hyundai. Don't get run over by that Hyundai or this Durango. Equinox, Kia. And we got a compact Toyota, and one of my favorites, these Dodge Chargers. Oh, this is a Canadian car. There you go. I was going to say, that looks like something out of Toronto. So it's probably the GT model then. Mustang convertible. And a Toyota Sienna minivan. Okay, we've got some cars on the other side here. Is that a hybrid? Yeah, I think somebody mentioned maybe all the Siennas are hybrids. We got a Lincoln Continental. And wipers up. That one's not in too good a shape. We got a compact Honda. Got a Corolla. And I think those are returns over there. Got a Toyota. Chrysler minivan. We got another one of these Lincolns. And what do we got here? Jeep Sahara Wrangler. GMC Denali pickup. Chrysler 300. DTW somebody's taking here. We got another 300. Subaru, Malibu. And I think that's going to wrap it up. We got an F-150 XLT here. And a Frontier. And a Jeep Compass. All right. And there's the shuttle coming through. Down at the end here, we got a Tahoe. Again, busy summer here, so lots of cars coming and going. You can kind of see all the cars returning for the overflow over here. So we got lots of cars. It's just take some time to clean them up and move them over. Available to rent. Okay, so I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Again, just a quick update here from Budget at Detroit Airport. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.